So my husband's a government employee that still has to go to work, but will not be getting paid during this government shutdown for the foreseeable future until they can figure out this budget stuff. And we are lucky because we do have savings, and I've talked about that on here so you guys know. But we have an emergency fund. We have, you know, a lot of funds spread out in our lives. Like my kids have 529s, my husband has a 401k, like I have a Roth IRA. So we do have like money. Obviously it would be like worst case scenario to pull money out of those certain things, but we do have the money if we needed to. We wouldn't like need to take out a loan. But the thing is we're lucky. We are in a privileged position to say that, because a lot of people aren't. A lot of people are government employees that still have to go to work, or maybe they're furloughed, like they don't even have to go to work, but they're not getting paid. So I mean, like, it's like, okay, yeah, I'm not going to work, of course I'm not getting paid, but there are some people who still have to go to work right now and then still aren't going to be getting paid, and they don't have the luxury that we have to say like, oh, okay, like, yeah, we'll be able to make it through this. And yes, they do get back paid on the back end when this is over, but what about in the meantime? Right? Like, what about like people have to pay their mortgage? Like, what if we don't get paid next month? Like, again, we're going to be fine, but some people don't have $10,000 in savings or even $5,000 in savings. And so maybe they can't pay their mortgage or their car loans or buy groceries. Like, and obviously there are things like food banks, stuff like that they can take advantage of, but there are still regular bills that people are gonna have to pay. And if they don't have the cash on them in their bank account, like, what are they going to do? Go into debt, have to take out a loan, having to put on your credit card, and then having to pay like 26% interest on that, like, next month, even if you do get paid, back paid in the meantime, like, that's not a good thing.